Hey guys, this is Anurag from Tech 24, and I was sitting and wondering, like, we're living in 2019 and still we are unable to achieve or fulfill our aim that was about the perfect smartphone. Like, doesn't matter how much money we pay or how much innovation we get, we still find some negative or comments about a smartphone. So like I was wondering, what if we have that we have in our PCs, like a PC build? What if I go to a shop and say like, I want a smartphone, or basically I want a simple smartphone. Like, as you all know, we get the best cameras from the Sony. So fixed camera of Sony, displays by Samsung, designed by pretty much Huawei, and stock Android by the Google, and some other things by the best smartphones. So that's how we can achieve our aim, or what do you say, perfect smartphone. Like, okay, we have so much devices, like, but still we have lags and frame drops or something that we don't get. But what if we do it ourselves? We go to this device and like whatever we like. It's like when you buy a smartphone, you pretty much have to compromise in some of the aspects. Like if you go for a flagship range, you have to compromise with almost most of the companies except for few, like the headphone jack. Or what if you like the wired earphones? Then you have to compromise because you're using a flagship device. But what if you got an opportunity to assemble? You're just like, no, I want a headphone jack. Fix it then. And he has to fix it. Like, if you want something else, you can definitely make it there. So what if it's like a random thought, like what if we could get access to this in pretty much 1-2 years? Or like what do you guys think, that are we gonna get that, or is it the future? Like we have PC, like we can go to the shop, get the Intel processor, get the NVIDIA graphic card, and Intel monitor, and any other smartphone, any other hardware, whatever we like, and we can have the best PC within our money range or how much we can afford. So like the same we do with our smartphones. Like we can have whatever we like about our smartphones and whatever we don't like. Then do you guys think that we're gonna achieve our aim of a perfect smartphone, or basically an ideal smartphone? Like it has no problem at all. Whatever we like, it has that only. So I was like just wondering that still, like, we get to hear the problems in S10 Plus, iPhone X Max, and Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So what I was feeling like, still after spending so much bucks in these smartphones, still we are unable to get the perfect smartphones, because each of the smartphones has few or maybe more problems in the smartphone. So I was like wondering, what if we could do that? What do you guys think? So this was just a random thought, so I thought of like sharing it with you guys and knowing your opinion. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, and if you don't like the video, make sure you hit the dislike button. And what do you guys think? Make sure tell me in the comment section. So that's it for today. Hope you guys have a nice